Welcome to Vollrath University. I'm Chef Rich, and we're here today to introduce to you the patented Vollrath silicone pan band system. Okay, the silicone pan bands are made of a high temperature silicone, so they are oven safe up to 450 degrees. They are a system for securing covering materials to pans, be it plastic film, covers, aluminum foil. They're excellent for transporting wet, moist, liquid items. They prevent spills. They can be used on plastic or stainless pans in all the common sizes, from 6 size, 3rd size, half, and full size. The system is very easy. You can see here we've got some plastic film on a pan. This is a very common situation. Caterers love these. When you're transporting liquids in pans, you want to cover them just with a simple bit of plastic film. Now you see how I'm putting it on one side, turning it around, going back and getting the other side here, securing it to the pan. And it's a nice, now secure, spill-resistant system. You can see it keeps liquids in place during transport, which is very convenient, very important. Also, we can use it with stainless pans. Here we have the Super Pan 5. A Super Pan 5, nice, strong top bead for preventing the pan from denting. Works very well with a stainless cover again. So start one side, over to the next, turn the pan around, and securing all the sides. Now with the Super Pan 5 with an extra high bead, I find it helps just to kind of take it down and bring it back up on each side, and now the pan band is securely in place. Now to remove the pan band, very simply lift up on the corners, peel them back. Okay, and that's it. Very easy to remove. They are NSF listed, very easy to clean. You can actually take the corners, turn them inside out. So if anything would get caught in the corners, very easy now to turn them inside out, and this can be run through a commercial dishwasher. So again, very easy to clean. Excellent, as I said, for caterers, any food service operation. They work with top-loading food carriers, so they don't disrupt that process. Notice also the different colors. That's a nice feature to have for identifying either food types or storage inventory locations, or say a caterer, you've got multiple jobs. One job is black bands, one job is the gray bands, so there's a lot of different uses for the colors. Just a really great low-cost addition to any food service operation. For more information, see us online at vollrath.com.